Hi, I'm Amanda from QueenMee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. Are you off to any weddings soon? I love weddings, they are so joyful. But what do you do about your hair? Well, in this episode, I'm going to talk you through 3 easy wedding hairstyles that you can create in just a few minutes, no hairdresser required. Before I forget, I would love it if you would subscribe. Every single week, I share an accessory styling video to give you a lovely boost, and I would love to see you here next week. Back to wedding hair. So the 3 hairstyles I've got for you today are using hair accessories. Hair accessories can make it really easy for us to create incredible wedding hairstyles. And the first style is one that I love. It is using my favorite hair accessory, a headband. Now it is tempting just to wear a headband like this if you're off to a wedding, just with your hair down, and it looks fabulous. But if you want to have that extra luxe finish to your look at this. You pin your hair back behind one ear and it adds an unexpected twist to your headband hairstyle. Add a wave to your hair and let the hair flow loose down one side asymmetrically. And you've got a fabulous, very, very glamorous wedding guest hairstyle that you're gonna feel fantastic in. The compliments are gonna be flowing. So my next hairstyle is a classic. It's a half up, half down wedding guest hairstyle, but it has a twist. We are gonna add some crown volume. Watch this. So we start with the usual hair up, hair down with our hair in a half up ponytail. And then we create a hole just above where we've secured it with a hair elastic, and we push the ponytail back up through the hole, and it creates this lovely volume at the crown, this lovely lift. Then we can add a hair accessory like a hair bow, and et voila, crown lift. So we've gone for a classic hair bow. You could add a colourful hair bow. Pink is always a wedding favourite. Or you could add a classic barrette. This works beautifully with your half up style too. Don't you just love that crown lift for extra confidence? It looks fantastic. Now for the grand finale. I hope you have loved the first 2 hairstyles and you're gonna absolutely love this one. Don't go anywhere. We are using a chain headband with elastic. Now this may look a little unpromising. When I am doing my pop-up shops, I get a lot of customers asking me how you style these chain headbands, and I cannot wait to show you. You can create incredible, easy updos, and they are perfect for a glam wedding guest look. Watch this. So the chain headbands are very stretchy and flexible, and they're comfortable too. We start by placing the chain headband over the hair with the elastic at the back. And next we're going to divide the hair into sections, starting at one side of the head, and wrap those sections around the elastic. Tuck it in, and the hair starts to conceal the elastic. As you can see, it also makes a pretty updo. Keep working your way across the back of the head, dividing the hair into sections and twisting the hair around the elastic. Start on the other side of the head. Twist again, pull the hair through, twist and round the elastic. Now for the last section of hair, we pull it through, twist it around and tuck it in. And now we are going to use a curvy grip to keep that last section in place. And you can add extra curvy grips as you go along to secure the hair. Just to add a bit more volume at the crown, we tease the hair out slightly. A glamorous wedding guest hairdo. This one you will get asked a lot about. Isn't it amazing how a chain headband can create the most incredible updo? Now my top tip for you is that you have a mirror behind as you're styling your hair. You don't need a hairdresser. That mirror will give you that extra shot of confidence and a few curvy grips and some hairspray, and it all stays in place. Now don't forget to enjoy yourself at the wedding. You've got a fabulous wedding guest hairstyle. You're going to get so many compliments. And the champagne, the compliments will be flowing, and you can dance the night away knowing that your hair looks great throughout. I hope you've loved these top tips. I'd be so grateful if you would subscribe so you don't miss a thing for next week. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye bye.